Speaking of Arby's.
In the next story. See, I can read some tabs. Arby's releasing French fry flavored, not fly.
Yeah.
Vodka for limited time. Arby's vodka?
Arby's vodka, yes. 80 proof. 80 proof.
Ugh. Arby's curly fry vodka and crinkle fry. You got to have two different fry vodkas.
Of course,
as if the flavor is subtle enough. You know what? I would eat one of those crispy, twirly fries right now.
And take a shot of vodka?
I would skip the vodka. I'd eat the fry.
Well, you can actually buy it.
According to Arby's, both spirits are made from potato vodka. Oh, I get it. Okay, because vodka, potatoes. Yeah. Curly fry vodka is distilled with cayenne, paprika, onion, and garlic. And the crinkle fry is kosher salt and sugar. Tattersall Distilling in Minneapolis crafted the vodka, which will be distributed by Sardix Liquor and Cheese Shop. The fast food sandwich chain announced this on Wednesday. And the fry, it's 80 proof vodka.
Is that a lot?
That's 40%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, typical vodka.
What, you cut it in half, the proof?
I just did cut it in half.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Well.
The proof. Did you cut the proof in half? Hey there, bud.
Right down the center there?
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? It's going to be $60. That's some premium vodka right there.
And there's a countdown, so.
And it becomes available in 6 days, 20 hours, 34 minutes, and 23, 2, 1, 0, 19, 18, 17, 16. We did it! Rapid speed round. Lou Later back in it. Put some respect on it. Perfect timing. 3:25. We done did it.